Today's topic is perimeter and area. So here I am going to explain you that how to find a perimeter of a different figure, like starting from perimeter of a square. The perimeter of a square is 4 into side. This is why, let us prove. Look, this is our square and all the sides, these 4 sides are equal. So if this one side is 2, if you multiply with 4, 2, 2, 2, 2 means 2 multiplied by 4 times, you will get the all the sides. So this is why the formula is 4 into side. Now perimeter of rectangle. So what is the formula for finding a perimeter of a rectangle? That is 2 length plus breadth. Here is your rectangle, okay, and this is length, this is breadth. We have to add this and multiply by 2 because these two sides we multiply by 2. Now the next, perimeter of triangle. Okay, the formula is, we can say A plus B plus C, or side plus side plus side. So how it is? Look at the example. This 3 sides, maybe it is 2, it is 3, it is 2. So we have to add, or we can say sum of all the side. So this is the formula for finding perimeter of a triangle. Now perimeter of rhombus. How to find a perimeter of rhombus? So again, there is 4 into side because this is similar to square, but here all the angle is 90 degree. Here all the angle is less than 90 degree. This is how rhombus look like. This is not 90 degree, that's why it is rhombus, and the formula for finding a perimeter of a rhombus is 4 into side, which is similar to square. Okay. One more is there, that is perimeter of parallelogram. So before going to write the formula, I am going to draw the shape of a parallelogram. This is how exactly look like parallelogram. So we can say this is also a look like a rectangle, but in rectangle all the angle is 90 degree. This one is 90 degree, this, but here less than 90 degree. So the formula of finding a parallelogram is similar to finding a perimeter of a rectangle, that is 2 length plus breadth. Okay. Now I am going to explain you how to apply that formula with a given question. Suppose one figure is given over here. This is a triangle with a side 2 cm, 3 cm and 4 cm. So you have to find the perimeter. So what is the formula which is I have given you? That is perimeter of triangle equals to sum of all the side. So here side is given, that is 2, 3 and 4. So we have to add this 2 cm 3 cm and 4 cm. So 2 plus 3 5 plus 4 9 cm. So the perimeter of this given figure is 9 cm. Now come to the next one. Here this is a rectangle figure. Here 4 cm and this one is 2 cm. Okay, now perimeter of rectangle, perimeter of rectangle equals to 2 length plus breadth. So in this given figure, this one is length and this one is breadth. So we all know the length and breadth. So applying the formula, 2 length is given over here, that is 4 cm, and breadth is 2 cm. Now you have to add this 2, that is 2 plus 4 6. Now you have to multiply this 2, that is 12 cm. So the perimeter of a rectangle is 12 cm. Now all those are regular polygon. Now we are going to do with a irregular polygon. Suppose one figure is given here like this, 3 cm, that is 1 cm, here 2 cm, again this one is 4 cm. Okay, now this one 4 cm again. Okay, now this one is 2 cm. Now here 1 cm. Now again this one is 2 cm. Now with this given figure you have to find the perimeter. So as per this given figure you have to find the perimeter like this. Perimeter equals to sum of all the side. So first we have to check all the side is given or not. This side is given, this side is also given, this one 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 is also given, and this one means all the side is given. What we have to do, just we have to add all the sides. So I am going to start from this side, that is 3 cm. Now 1 cm, secondly 2, afterwards 4 cm, at bottom there is 4 cm also. Now 2 cm, then 1 cm, 2 1. Now this one is 2. So we have taken all the sides. Now you have to add, means 3 plus 1 4 plus 2 6 plus 4 10 plus 4 14, 14 plus 2 that is 16, 1 17, 18 19. So sum of all the side is 19 cm. So this is how to find a perimeter of a regular polygon and irregular polygon. The concept will be clear. Hope you will like this video. Please like and share with your friends. Thank you all of you.